Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Here's our 78 Chevy Silverado K10. Nice solid Washington truck. This would be a good one. You can just drive the way it is until you have time to restore it. But real short box, 4-wheel drive, 350 automatic. You can see the bumper shows a little patina on it. The body is mainly faded. There you can see the paint faded through there. Got all the trim. Some of it's a little nicked up, obviously. Well maintained, a big deal. You can get them. But importantly, it does have all of this trim. So, nice solid Washington truck, not a rust bucket. You can see a little bit in the rockers there. The driver's side, the cab corner's good. Interior, new seat. Dash has a crack right there in the middle. This is an air truck. Shows 5,433 on the odometer, so I don't know if that's 105 or what. There's a radio, needs to be new one put in or put in. Missing a headliner, you can buy that material. I think I may even have some. We just haven't had a chance to do it yet. So it has new carpet in it. Door panels are good. I ordered some pull straps, so we should have them and the covers coming in. But so nice solid truck, like I said, not a Washington, so not a rust bucket, just a little bit coming here. Real short box. The box is in good shape. So if you like patina, you just drive it the way it is, or you spend the money and restore it, and then you got a nice line on. Here's your tread on your tires. Got the rally wheels. Said no rust here, nothing really right there. Rock chips. So it would be an easy one to restore. Door is sagging a little bit, probably needs bushings. This rocker is in a little better shape. Bottom of this fender is bad, which is for some reason almost every one of these on the passenger side is bad that way. So said Silverado, 350 automatic air. So watch my video of it running and the video of it driving. Any questions? 605-695-7391.